In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Huntington Bank username or password. If you're having trouble accessing your account, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through the process in a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Huntington Bank website. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the login fields. Beneath these fields, you'll notice two options specifically designed for those of us who may have misplaced our login credentials. If your issue lies with forgetting your username, simply click on Forgot Username. Alternatively, if it's the password that's giving you trouble, click Forgot Password. Each option will guide you through a different path depending on what you need to recover. Next, once you've selected the relevant option, you'll be prompted to provide some details. If you're looking to recover your username, Huntington will typically ask for a confirmation of your email address or some of your account details. This step helps ensure that the username recovery is as secure as possible. On the other hand, if it's the password you're aiming to reset, you'll be required to enter a bit more information. This usually includes your username, your social security number, and sometimes additional account information. These inputs are crucial for verifying your identity. With your details entered, Huntington Bank will present you with a few choices for receiving a verification code. You can choose between receiving this code via SMS, email, or even a phone call. Pick the method that's most convenient for you and keep an eye or an ear out for that code. Once the verification code lands in your chosen form of communication, enter it into the field provided on the Huntington website. This step confirms your identity and unlocks the final stage of recovery. At this point, you'll be given the option to create a new username or password. Make sure to choose something memorable yet secure. If you're creating a new password, remember, the best practice is to combine letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Upon successfully setting your new credentials, navigate back to the login page. Here you'll enter your updated information. If everything was done correctly and there are no further issues, you'll find yourself inside your account just like before. And there you have it. Regaining access to your Huntington Bank account made simple. Remember to store your login details in a safe spot to avoid future lockouts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you smoothly reset your credentials with ease.